Oil extraction, refining and transportation is associated with various technical and ecological issues. One of them is the oil pollution. Nizhny Novgorod Institute of Applied Technologies presents one of the most advanced methods of soil and groundwater cleaning from oil pollution and toxic waste. The process of soil and groundwater cleaning from oil and toxic pollution consists of 3 stages. First stage: exploration, which defines the limits, rate, type of pollution and cameral treatment of the sample taken in the field for selection of the technique of cleaning. Second stage: pollution containment. A filtration-proof wall is constructed along the perimeter of the pollution area. The wall is made by injecting modified clay slurry via well points all the way down to the waterproof layer. Third stage: oil pollution response. The polluted area of more than 0.1 hectares is divided into several plots. There are 3 types of wells to be drilled within each separate plot. Well for lowering the water table and pumping out the polluted water with depth reaching the waterproof layer. Deep level injection wells, which estimated depth is 1.5 meters higher than the top of the main level of the pollution. Subsurface injection wells with the estimated depth of 1.5 meters. Washing solution is inserted into the system of subsurface injection wells. Then the cleaning of the surface soil and elimination of gas form of the pollution take place. After that, the washing solution is inlet into the system of deep-level injection wells that precipitates the washing out of the indurated contamination layer. Then the washing out of the main layer of the contamination, and furtherly the forced expulsion of the washed out contamination to the well for lowering the water table and pumping out occurs. The continuity of the process enables to clean the soil throughout the contamination from the top to the bottom layer. The polluted washing solution is delivered from the well for lowering the water table and pumping the polluted water into purification equipment. After being purified, the solution is delivered to the system of wells for recycle, and the separated oil film is transported to the specially prepared site. Laboratory testing of soil and water samples is carried out through the whole oil response process. It allows to evaluate the grade of soil and groundwater cleaning opportunely. Specific features of our method are as follows. The construction of the filtration-proof walls is executed without excavation at a depth up to 70 meters. The absence of the scheme of groundwater surge reduces the risk of contamination spread over the surface. Soil and groundwater cleaning is effectuated without increase of water volume inside of each plot. The method is applicable to any type of pollution, including toxic one. It is an eco-safe method, and it doesn't have the negative impact to the environment.